Hello, my dear kids. Today we will learn about farm animals. Farm animals. So, here in KG, we will do 6 farm animals. So, first animal which we will do is cow. So, this is the picture of cow. You can see a cow with 2 eyes, 2 ears, 4 legs and a long tail. So, this is a cow. Now, second farm animal which we will do is goat. This is the picture of goat. Goat also has 2 eyes, 2 ears, 2 horns and a small tail, 4 legs. So this is goat. Next farm animal which we will do is sheep. Sheep. You can see the picture of sheep. 2 eyes, 2 ears, 4 legs. Yes, this is a sheep. Next farm animal which we will do is hen. Hen. You can see the picture of hen. Yes, it has 2 legs only. This is a hen. Next farm animal is pig. This is the picture of pig. You can observe the picture of pig. This is a pig. And this is the last farm animal which we will be doing. Yes, it's a horse. Again here you can see the picture of horse. So my dear kids, these are the 6 farm animals which we will do. So which are the animals? Cow, goat, sheep, hen, pig, horse. Once again, cow, goat, sheep, hen, pig, horse. That's all for today. Thank you. God bless you.